We are going to look into graphing quadratics and more specifically the line of symmetry and how to figure out what the vertex is. So here's an equation, y equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. We've already known what the quadratic formula is. Now we're going to learn a new formula called the line of symmetry, which is x equals negative b divided by 2a. If you remember, your a value, your b value, and your c value. My a value equals 1, my b value equals 6, and my c value equals 5. Now I'm going to put that into my equation. So it is x equals negative, my b value, which is 6, divided by 2 times my a value, which is 1. A negative times a positive 6 is negative 6, and 2 times 1 is 2. Which gives me x equal to negative 3. Now using this number, I need to figure out what my vertex is. Now to figure out my vertex, I'm going to plug in my line of symmetry in for every x that I see. So I am doing y equals, instead of an x, we're plugging in negative 3 squared plus 6 parentheses negative 3 plus 5. I type this into my calculator and I get negative 4. So my vertex is my x value of negative 3 and my y value of negative 4. Let's look at one more example. Y equals x squared plus 4x minus 12. Again, we need to figure out what my a equals, my b equals, and my c equals. My a is 1, b is 4, and c is negative 12. Now we're going to plug in my values into my line of symmetry equation. So I have x equals negative, my b value of 4, divided by 2 times my a value. Negative times a positive 4 is negative 4, divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. Negative 4 divided by 2, which gives me a negative 2 for my line of symmetry. Since I know that my line of symmetry is x equals negative 2, now I'm going to plug in negative 2 wherever I see an x in my equation. So y equals parentheses negative 2 squared plus 4 parentheses negative 2 minus 12. And we're going to type that into our calculator. So I get y equals negative 16. So my vertex is my x value of negative 2 and the y value that I got, which is negative 16.